Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Unbounce for branded landing designs, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Unbounce website using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. You will see options to sign up with your email or through a social media account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria and enter it into the password field. After filling in your details, read through the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree to them. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Unbounce and click the provided link to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Unbounce site and log in with your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will be guided to set up your first landing page. Start by selecting a template that aligns with your branding and marketing goals. Unbounce offers a variety of professionally designed templates to choose from. After selecting a template, you can customize its elements to fit your brand's color scheme and messaging. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and other components to your landing page. Make sure to include essential elements like headlines, call to action buttons, and forms. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the preview option to review how your page will look to visitors. If everything appears as intended, return to the editor and click the Publish button to make your landing page live. You will receive a unique URL for your landing page, which you can share in your marketing campaigns. Continue to monitor your page's performance within Unbounce analytics tools to optimize for better results. This completes your registration and initial setup with Unbounce for branded landing designs. You are now ready to harness the power of Unbounce to create high-converting landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.